Let's go over our autoclave so we know how to work this a little bit. First, let's go and start with if instruments are in here and they have been sterilized. We can go and start lifting this little latch, pulling it out, and going and inspecting our actual instruments. You're going to have about 4 trays or so, and when we get to certain trays, they should be all tetrised out just like so there's room for all of them to breathe in that nice steam, kill all those microorganisms. And they also should be paper side up, plastic side down. It's controversial, just go with it. Your instrument should also have an initial and a date so we know who packaged it, when it got packaged, and where to go to. Another key thing to look at when we are going through these instruments, if they have been sterilized correctly, is if we go to the top corners of it. This one's a little bit brown. As we go and look at this top corner, that means it's cooked. If it has this more pink consistency to the top corner, you can think of it like meat. It's not cooked. So let's go ahead and take these instruments and we go throw them over to our sterile side so it can be placed into its proper places. If we were going to go put a new instrument in here, it would go in, just like I mentioned, paper side up, plastic side down, name and everything on there. Go check your gasket, make sure that it's nice and sealed and properly put on. We don't want anything loose or ajar, just like that. Let's go over to our water area. When we look over here at these 2 signs, red means that we need to fill up the water, green means go. We go and put it in the water reservoir. It will only be distilled water as that goes in. As we go and close this door and we go and push it together, we need to go and lift the latch, hold the latch open, push in, and drop the latch. We go to our buttons. We have unwrapped for if we're running the instruments bare, for running the instruments with inside the pouches, specialized packs, or if we're going to run certain hand pieces. We go and choose our place, and we're going to hit start, and it should run as normal.